Get inspired. Let's start over from scratch. New document. Nope. We are going to create a list today. So the fourth one down is add a list. But again, you could also back on the home screen. You could just toggle down to this guy here if you wanted to. Down, over. Wow, this is not working. That's more clunky than just doing it the other way. But so here's where I'm going to make my list. Couple things. I need to label my list. Sometimes you'll see in some of these other videos, people label it just like X. Now, you gotta be careful. I'll show you why. And then down here, you can just put in like 3, 5, and 6, 9, and then 11, and then 147. You can keep going down, put as many numbers in the list as you want to. But now those are now stored in list X. All right. You could also store things in list Y very similarly over here. Y, and you could store if you have like another set of data. And so now you have things stored in X and Y. But this is why I say you got to be careful about using X and Y. Is that when you go and open up another page, computer, let's go. Ooh, open the calculator. Now, if you type in X, notice, oh, it's bold. That means something is stored as X. So you hit enter. Look, all that data is stored as X. So you can't use X as a variable anymore until you open up a whole other document. Same thing with Y. Something stored in there is Y. All right. So that's, you just got to be careful about that. So I personally prefer when you're over here is using something like, L1 or L2. So you could do L1 and L2, and then come back over here. You go to variables. See, unfortunately though, because they were already stored once as X and Y, there's still, you didn't you didn't clear X and Y. X is still that whole set of data. It's just L1 is also that set of data. So that's one way to create a set of data, is to jump over here. There's no alternative way. So let's say you want to create a set like L3. So here's all you got to do. You do L3, and then see where the magic button is? Well, there's a little colon equals right above it. So if you hit Control magic button, you get this colon equals, and then I'm going to use the same brackets that they use. So I'm going to hit Control these guys here. And now I can type in a bunch of data here. So I can do like 1, 2, 6, 9, and 11, and hit enter. And now that's all stored in as L3. So if I want to work with that set of data, that's another way of just quickly creating a set of data. But it doesn't go the opposite way. It won't now take this data and fill it in over here on my list. So if I really want to have it in my spreadsheet over here, I have to input it in the spreadsheet. It doesn't convert it over that way. And that's it. So I will go make some green tea. I hope you do too. Bye.